Today, we will learn how to add a single product message template in WhatsDiscuss. First, click on WhatsApp business account and then go to message template. Here, you will see all your templates. You can use this search icon to search for any template. To add a new template, click on the add icon. Then, select single product message template. Now, enter the name of your template and click next. After that, select the language of your template. Here we are selecting English and click Next. Now, write your message text in the body. You can also add text in the footer if you wish. This is optional. After filling in everything, click on Preview to see a preview of your message. If everything looks good, click the Save icon and your message template will be saved. Now, your message template has been successfully added. You can click on this icon to view the details of your template.